and we're building business from the beach. I love living the life in the Virgin Islands, and I've been in business for so many years and helping others to build business too. So this video is the first in a series from the beach. So we're going to enjoy sharing some business tips with you so that you can get your hustle on and make it to your life, possibly island life, if that's your desire. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button and give this video a like. I hope you enjoy our beach background. I'm here on St. Thomas today at Lindbergh Bay Beach. This is Lindbergh Bay Beach. And it is absolutely stunning. There's a hotel on this beach with a restaurant. Not far from the airport, very conveniently located. And this is one of my favorite spots. All right, so let's get into some business building tips. So this video today is to give you some tips. Sometimes people are building businesses and they're not getting the results that they want. So today we're going to talk about 3 things that may be keeping you from getting the money results that you want. So number 1, and these come directly from our book, Create Income with or Without a Job. Create income with or without a job. We'll put a link in the description below. So, tip number 1, what are you thinking? You know, you can have all the mechanics of how to make money. You can have all the steps. You can have the best mentors in the world. You can have all the equipment. You can have everything lined up just right. But guess what? If our minds are not right, we're only able to attract what we think about it. So check your thoughts. In Create Income with or Without a Job, we introduce you to 5 new thoughts. Things you have to think in order to be able to attract money. So it's not all about the mechanics. Number 1, check your mindset. What are you thinking? Business tip number 2, do you really know how money works? It's amazing, but because we don't get education on how business works from a young age, most of us don't have the total picture of how money really works. What do you know about estate planning? What do you know about whole life insurance? What do you know about compound interest? What do you know about taxes and how to keep more of the money you make? What do you know about how money really works? When money comes in, do you know where you're supposed to put your money so that it not only comes in and pays bills, but so that it grows? Do you know how to build wealth with money? This requires study, study, study. Seek information. Listen to all of the most successful financial people in the world. And so it's so important. Anyone can create money coming in, but it's a whole new ball game creating wealth. And it's worth it. It's worth a study. All right? And now, business building tip number 3. Perhaps we're not making as much money with our side hustles because we're actually not in the right side hustle for us. There are lots of ideas out there for online businesses, lots of ideas, but what really fits you? What are you most suited for? What really fits your personality, your natural talents, gifts, and abilities? What fits your passion? I live in paradise right now because I pursued my passion, not just money for my pocketbook. So again, we have a beautiful exercise in Create Income with or without a job that walks you through how you can tap into and identify your passion, your talents and skills. It's so important to be involved in something that you enjoy. Money making can also be pleasurable. You're supposed to have fun. So this is Jamila Harris, author of Create Income with or without a job, coming to you from the beach in St. Thomas. And we want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and we want you to tune in because we give you instruction, step-by-step instruction on how to start businesses, how to create side hustles, how to make money, but also how to build wealth with your money. So, hey, share this video with a friend, and I'll see you next time on the beach, building your business from the beach. Boom.